Good morning, everybody. It is April 13th. This is decision making slide 13, April 13th, and the 13th slide. That's kind of neat. So we'll go over the daily decision making, and then you guys will need to log on and answer the questions. The directions say put an X through the negative skills William uses. Try not to make William upset. He gets mad easily. He yells at the teacher one day for giving him directions. He sometimes throws things too. So our choices are nice to others, yells, follow directions, angry, doesn't throw things, or throw things. Our directions were put an X through the negative skills William uses. And then after you guys go ahead and answer this in Canvas, talk about this with your parents. What are things that you can do instead of yelling or throwing things when you get upset? Have a great day, you guys.